try soldering this bit.
Okay, so now Grandad's looked and he's discovered that there's no solder on the front either. So now he's going to make a connection. Can you see the two little prongs? They look a bit greenish in the light.
I just realised the actual thing's come off.
The prongs have come on.
No, the thing that's supposed to...
So Grandad's got to solder. So he's turned his soldering iron on. And he's got smoke coming off. Can you see the smoke again? Coming off. And he's doing... Oh, that's it. So he's now got connectors.
Right. That looks better now.
Grandad's happy with that.
So now we'll have to try that.
So now we're trying again. So connectors on. Goodness me. Will the connectors go in now, Grandad?
Good question.
I might have to do some solder sanding.
This is proving to be a bit of a job. Got to hold it up here.
I wonder what all these little boys would do if they didn't have a Grandad that could do soldering.
The question is it going on enough? Okay, let's try again. Bluetooth is on.
Bluetooth on. Stand back.
Put the Bluetooth on here. Open the app. Try connecting.
Are we connecting, Grandad?
No.
Oh no. It's that pesky Bluetooth one. Might be some solder filing, I think, Grandad. Oh.
There we go.
And again.
Is it going to work? Whee!
Is it work? Oh wow. I think Grandad has mended it.
Looking good,
Well done, Grandad.
he says.
You did very, very well.
What's happened to it?